Okay, here we go, guys. Part 2. This is my grits bowl. I put it here. This is my egg bowl. 1 minute. Okay, I set it on for a minute because of the grits water. The water needs to get hot for the grits for 1 minute. Now I'm gonna go check my egg out. It's been going for almost 15 seconds. Okay, look at the egg. See what the egg look like? So I go ahead and I scramble it up. I'm gonna put my egg back in there. See, guys, I don't put the egg in the center. I put the egg on the side. Okay. 39 seconds to go. And I am watching the eggs. And they just kind of keep the eggs from cooking fast and hard when I put it to the side and not in the center. Okay, we down at 18 seconds. Take it out. Okay, let's see how the eggs are doing now. Bring them up again. Put them in there again. 17 seconds. And down 8 seconds, I can see them. 4, 3, 2, 1. Look at them now. They on their final go here. Let's see, I'll scramble up real good. Once I get them scrambled up real good, then I'm going to put these to the side. I'm going to let that water kick off for another second. I'm going to let my water give me another minute on my water. So my water can get hot. Then once my water get hot for my grits, then I pour a bag of grits in. These are instant grits. I used to let the water and the grits go for 1 minute straight, and then once it go 1 minute straight, then I put the grits in there. Then I put the grits. For 1 minute, then I turn and put the grits. Put the grits in, stir them up good, then put them back in there for another minute. Put you down for just a second. Put in the bowl. Gosh. And stir it with some. Stir my grits. I think I put too much water in here again. Okay, this should be the final thing for the. I'm putting another minute in for the grits. So this should be 15 seconds, 10 seconds for the eggs at the most. And I'm gonna look at them, I'm gonna get them out. Yeah, I'm looking at them right now. Okay, 10 seconds. Okay guys, look at the eggs. They're not dry. They're not dry. So I'm taking my eggs out. They're good. Now I'll finish cooking this one here. Just want to give y'all a quick video on how I cook my eggs, my scrambled eggs in the morning. Look at the outcome, see how they look. It's only 1 egg. And it's moist, it's not dry, it's not all hard at all. So I just do like 10 to 15 minutes at a time, then I'll take it out. 10 to 15 minutes at a time, and I'll take it out. I put butter in the thing first, and then my eggs, salt and pepper. Put it in the microwave 10 to 15 minutes. I scramble it with the fork, and I take it out. And I do that back and forth, and I watch it from 10 to 15 minute interval at the most to make sure they don't get cooked hard in a way that I don't want them. So again, this is how I do my grits in the morning. When I want my grits and eggs, I'll slowly take my time to cook my grits in the microwave. All right, guys, this is Nettie with Simply Me Journey, and it is about to journey. All right, here are my grits. Yep, I put too much water on my grits this time. All right, guys, I'm out. It's about to journey. Enjoy the day and have a blessed day.